so for me, it's not really worth paying, you know?
Yeah.
So that's how I figured.
Okay, and this road's closed because apparently there's a extreme fire danger around.
Yeah.
Yay, we're gonna burn to hell. Oh look, there's rim fire over there too, you can tell.
Oh shit.
Oh, I guess we could chill here,
For a few, huh?
drink our drinks.
Yeah. Take a picture or two. Man, you need to clean your damn bike.
Yeah, I know.
Like, I don't care for it that much.
Well, I like it actually a lot. It's just that, you know, I didn't get a chance to clean it the other day. Yeah, I did. I detailed it before. Let me get my keys just in
I
case.
didn't really detail. I just like did a cheap wipe down in the dark, literally.
Yeah, the dart did the job by itself.
My rims look like shit though. Look at them.
I know, right?
They're supposed to look like shiny black, like nice. Not shiny, but nice looking black.
Yeah.
I think there's gas going in the other direction. So we should probably get gas first.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. We're going to Sedona now.
Payson.
Or Payson, my bad.
Have you been there or no?
No, I've been to.
Not that far.
Yeah, because it's Prescott right by it too.
No, Prescott is like by Cottonwood and Sedona.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I was.
That's the north. This is more like east.
Oh, because I was thinking about. For some reason, I was thinking about way up there, Sedona. Or
Really?
yeah, I was like thinking about that. I was like, wait, there's a difference.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So might as well.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to backtrack and go to oh, there we go. Search this area, bitch. Ah. Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
shit, my bad. Sorry. Sorry.
Hey. Fucking shit sucks. Get directions here. Okay, let's go get gas and then we'll head up there.
All right, we're going again?
Gas station.
No, after that.
Payson.
Payson, okay. Because I was thinking about Sedona. I was like,
Payson.
Payson, yeah, okay. Headed through to Payson after we get gas.
Well, no, we're not getting gas there. We're getting gas.
Well, yeah,
by here. Oh, after we get
yes, Jesus Christ.
I thought you said to get gas.
No.
Getting the gas.
So, like, right before we left, you know how my bike had a full gas tank?
Yeah.
Now it's about close to halfway there now.
So you sure it's after? You need to fill that up.
Yeah, no, I noticed that yesterday.
You have some or no?
I do, yes. Not with me, but at home.
Gap is both.
It's funny because those people that showed up, we have to say helmets, and they have to say helmets. So I'm just like, okay, what are the odds of that? All right, finally to Payson now. To Payson. I honestly thought that was what was her name again? I thought that was Amy at first. I was like, wait, what? But then I realized, oh no, somebody else.
So, no offense, but Amy's a little bigger than that.
I'm definitely not gonna put that in the video. Next thing you know, I did. She calls you up, Patrick. We're gonna have a talk.
I mean, I don't mind. That's why I'm with her, but
Oh shit, I'm still recording. So on our way to Payson, as you can see, all this is all burnt. Well, for the most part, there was way more back there, but you can still kind of see a little bit. Some of that are dead, some of them are burnt, as you can see from the ground. It's still far from the ground. Wow. This is something, alright? I've never seen an orange cactus before. That is bizarre. Now remember, some of them are burned, and then there's some part of it that is just, you know, just dying off. Like, so some of the cactus are burned, kind of. You can especially tell easily when there is this, like, powder of black stuff all over the surrounding area. That is burned right there. Again, I'm trying to be kind of careful because, you know, I've never been here before. Oh wow, the air feels colder over here for some reason. Yeah, I noticed my bike was kind of pouring out oil. I'm losing oil from all over right here on that seal.
Wait, what?
Where you see this divot at? You see all the oil's at?
Yeah.
I just looked down and it turns out this gasket's actually bad. So yeah, it's literally just the gasket that goes all around right here.
You think it'll be fine?
It was like, well, it's dripping a lot. Do you have some sort of like sealer or whatever?
At my dad's house. We could even go like up here to the Walmart that's in Payson and get some, I think.
Yeah, we should do that. Let's let the bike cool down for a minute. Because I noticed it's kind of getting a little hot.
Wait, the fan is running while it's off?
Huh? What?
The fan runs while it's off?
Yep.
Yeah, I seen you pulling over. I'm like, let me pull over.
You're like, huh, should I pull over with him?
Yeah. Fuck this, I'm going now.
But it was really nice first coming over here.
Yeah.
Because like I noticed like a big drastic change in the weather.
Yeah.
I was like, oh wow.
Well, and it's still gonna get cooler too over there. Like, there's still, I think, like 20-30 miles or something. Yeah, it's really nice. Like, this is just greenery. Like, over there, you'll start seeing like actual pine trees.
Huh.
So it's nice.
Yeah. Alright, let's see how much I'm leaking. Because like I noticed that it was starting to come up as I was riding it, so I was like, ah shit.
Why, what is that cover for?
It's just a cover for like your crankshaft and everything. Where it goes
You
to.
can even just take it off, seal it, and then put it back on. Huh?
Yeah, but I think all my oil was come rushing down.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna apply it all around it.
And just take it off later when you get the actual gas.
Yeah. Let's see how much oil I have. Can I set on the bike real quick? That's on this side. Well, I'm so full.
You check it on this side?
Huh?
It has a glass on this side or what?
Yeah, the glass is on this side. Yeah. Wait a minute, I can't tell. Oh, that's right. The oil needs to come down first.
Well, it's a good thing you're going for a longer ride, because if not, then you would never have, like,
Notice.
noticed.
Yeah, but it's oil, so that's a bad thing.
Yeah. I'm sure they got a shop and everything with oil over there.
Yeah.
What oil did you use?
20W50
No, but what brand and stuff?
Mobile one.
Just full synthetic or no?
Yeah, just full synthetic.
That's probably why. Before the guy probably used conventional.
Oh no, I'm low. Wait, am I low? Yeah, I'm low.
Is it? It's hard to tell.
It's, yeah, yeah.
Hard to see.
Yeah, I could see it. Yeah, I'm getting low.
Walmart, you think has it or no?
Yeah, I would believe Walmart has it.
Let me see how far it is.
Am I still recording? Alright, so we're over here in Payson. We're going to Walmart. We had to go to Walmart to pick up oil and a gasket maker. Because luckily I still have some oil left, but it's not much. So I had to be really aware of that. Oh, it's 963. Nice. Cool. So we got the bike fixed up, as you can see. A little excessive, but that's okay. I'll get it cleaned up tomorrow or whatever I can. So yeah, everything's going good. It's not leaking anymore, so that's a good thing. So that should be all good. I keep seeing, like, before Payson, I keep seeing those razors, and then in Payson I see X3s mostly. Apparently we have some, apparently there's some really good pizza place or something like that up here. So I'm dying to check out what it is. I see a lot of side-by-sides just on the street and everything. I know, right? Fuck it.
Yeah, that's right here.
Oh, pizza factory.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, they have these garlic parmesan wings, like chicken wings, and man, they're so good. They're the best ones I've ever had.
Alright. Well, let me get this guy's plate just in case. Alright. Just in case he hits my bike.
Yeah.
I'll be like, oh, well, at least I know who to sue.
I mean, if you can't park it, why you fucking drive a truck with it?
I know. I could drive a bigger truck and park better.
Yeah, exactly. That's not even a big truck. That's only an F-150.
I know.
It's not even like a long bed, nothing.
No.
No, I'm recording. Alright. You gotta see when the food comes.
I know. Patrick, you look really light.
I look what?
You look really white.
You sir are racist.
That's beachy goringo. That's beachy goringo.
They said something about Durango. We ain't going to jail today, man.
You don't know what I just said, didn't you? What did I say?
Something about a gringo. Racist ass.
You don't even know what it means.
Wait, say again?
Eres pinche gringo.
Fucking white guy?
Yes. Puto.
What?
Puto.
Oh, that's fucked up.
That's what you are.
You gotta remember, Amy's Mexican and my coworkers are Mexican.
You're like the only white guy. Alright, before
I'm learning Spanish, so.
I know, before I get banned from this, let's turn this off until the food gets here. Alright, so I got the Hawaiian pizza. And for appetizer, we got the boneless chicken, garlic size. And then Patrick got
Baked spaghetti.
there you go. Yeah.
I'm jacking all the chicken.
Oh, fuck you, bitch.
Hey, why can't they just chop up this chicken and fucking put it on?
I don't know.